Welcome. If Snapchat's pop-up sound alerts are constantly interrupting you, you're not alone. Those audible notifications can be helpful, but they can also get distracting fast, especially when you're trying to focus or just want a quieter experience. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to turn off pop-up audible notifications on Snapchat using your phone's settings. Let's get right into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level controls live, including how apps behave when it comes to notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications or something similar. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Find and tap on Snapchat. This opens the app-specific settings where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a breakdown of all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send you. Look for notification categories and tap on it. This section lets you fine-tune exactly what kind of alerts you receive and how they behave. Scroll until you find audible notifications, then tap on it. This is the setting responsible for those pop-up sounds that grab your attention. Finally, toggle off Show as pop-up. Once you switch this off, Snapchat will stop displaying those intrusive audible pop-up alerts.